Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your input sound device on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to select the system tile. And then on the left side underneath system, you want to select where it says sound. And then on the right side underneath input, choose your input device. Click the drop down and select your appropriate microphone or input device you want to select as your main microphone device, I guess. And then that's pretty much all you have to do at this point, and you should see it showing up down here with the little sound bars indicating that it's working properly. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.